In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Gmail account, manage your Google account. We'll walk through how to safely back up your Gmail and how to confidently navigate the most important areas of your Google account so your information stays organized and secure. First, let's talk about saving your Gmail. For a complete backup of your emails, use Google Takeout. There, you can select Gmail and export your messages in formats like MBOX or PDF. MBOX is great if you want a full archive that you can import into many email apps later, while PDF is better if you need readable, shareable copies of specific threads. Take your time to choose the format that fits your needs, then start the export and let Google prepare the files for you. If you only need individual messages, open the email you want, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the message, and choose Download Message to save it as an EML file. EML files preserve the email structure and can be opened in many mail clients. Alternatively, select Print and choose Save as PDF to create a clean document version of that email. Once you've created your backups, store them securely on your computer or a trusted cloud drive. Keep them in a clearly labeled folder so you can find them later, and avoid saving them on shared or public devices. Regularly updating your backups helps ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. Next, let's manage your Google account. Sign in, then click your profile icon in the top right and select Manage your Google account. Here are the key areas to review. In personal info, make sure your name, contact details, and address are accurate. In security and sign-in, confirm your password settings, enable two-factor authentication, and review which apps or services have access to your account. The Password Manager section helps you view and manage saved passwords in one place, and it's a good spot to tidy up old or weak passwords. In Data and Privacy, control what data is saved, adjust activity preferences, and remove services you no longer use. In Devices, check the list of devices signed in with your account and make sure everything looks familiar. Finally, in Payments and Subscriptions, keep your payment methods up to date and review subscriptions linked to your account. For stronger protection, use unique, complex passwords and turn on two-factor authentication. Also, set up recovery options like a backup email address and a trusted phone number so you can regain access if you're ever locked out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.